Welcome to DelphStack Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make Google Forms responsive so they look great on mobile, tablet, and desktop. First, open Google Forms and make sure that you are already logged in. You can start with a blank form and create any kind of quiz or survey. Google Forms are responsive by default, but small layout and settings changes can make a big difference in how users experience your form. I already have some existing templates, so I will use this important information form. I have entered details like names, date of birth, and place of birth. Now we will adjust some settings to make the form more responsive. Go to Settings, then open the Responses section, drop this down, and select Do Not Collect Email Addresses. This ensures that no email addresses are collected. Next, turn on Limit to one response so users cannot submit multiple responses. You can see there are no responses yet, so after publishing, copy the URL and share it with respondents. You can send the link to anyone you want to collect responses from. Here I am pasting the URL and entering the required information such as place of birth and date of birth. I will select sample values for now, including age and hobby. After submitting the form, you can see that the information has been successfully recorded. When you go back to the Responses section, you will see a notification. Clicking this shows the information that has already been collected. You also have the option to link the form to a spreadsheet by creating a new one or choosing an existing spreadsheet. For this example, I will create a new spreadsheet to show how the data is arranged. After a few seconds, you can see that the information is already recorded in a spreadsheet. This is how you make Google Forms more responsive and easier to manage across devices. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next tutorial.